Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. Children, I hope you all are in pink of health. Children, in the previous class of chapter 10, we have done types of lines and plane shapes. Today we will do solid shapes. So let's start with the solid shapes. Now what are called solid shapes? Solid shapes are three-dimensional shapes which have length, breadth and height. Solid shapes are also called as 3D shapes. Now which shapes are called as solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. are solid shapes. Now children, before proceeding further, I just want to explain you that in mathematical terms, faces means the front or one side of something. Vertices means corners and edges means sides. Now let's study about the properties of solid shapes. The first one is cube. The figure given below is a cube. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the edges of a cube are of the same length. All its faces are of the same size. Now see children, these are the examples of cubical objects. Gift box, dice, Rubik's cube, building blocks. These all are the examples of cubical objects. Now the number 2 is cuboid. The figure given below is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Its opposite faces are equal. See children, these are the examples of cuboidal objects. Stationary items, different types of boxes, matchboxes. These are the examples of cuboidal objects. Now, number 3 is cylinder. The figure given below is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, one curved face and 2 plane faces and 2 edges. It does not have any vertices. Now children, these are the examples of cylindrical objects. A glass of water, battery cell, Coca-Cola can, utensil, cold drink bottles. These all are the examples of cylindrical objects. Now number 4 is cone. The figure given below is a cone. A cone has 2 faces, one plain face and the other is curved face. It has one vertex and one edge. See children, these are the examples of conical objects. Ice cream cone, pine tree, birthday caps, skating cone, Christmas tree, shaving cone. These all are the examples of conical objects. Now number 5 is sphere. The figure given below is a sphere. A sphere has one face, that is curved face. It does not have any edge or vertex. Now these are the examples of spherical objects. Children, you can see here football, globe, orange, different types of balls. These all are the examples of spherical objects. Now children, these are the points to remember. Solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. And children, you have to learn the properties of the solid shapes and do this all the work in your maths classwork notebook. Okay, thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.